and we're gonna start the video with this product or products. What are these? The model is P1037 and you will get 5 pieces 4mm stackable banana plug to alligator clip crocodile clamp multimeter test leads with soft cable, and you will get 5 pieces in every color: red, black, yellow, green and blue. And I need this kind of cables, so that's why I ordered them and I got them. No bubbles, sorry guys. Oh, they are heavy. What? Okay. Super nice. I love them because of the colors. From one side we have the banana plug, but why I love them? But they are male, also female, so you can attach another cable like this and one more if you want. Take a look and I can feel it. It's a silicone, which is super nice. And from the other side we have the alligator clips, 4mm. Okay, and let me measure the length of the cable. Exactly 1 meter long, which is super nice, and they are long enough. Love them. I'm gonna use them in my projects and in my workshop. Bubbles, no. Okay, no bubbles, no happiness. Oh, here it is, the board. Nicely made PCB board. And we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 integrated chips. And I can't see what are they. Okay. We have the microphone right here, the multi-tone potentiometer for adjusting the sensitivity, and this one is with micro USB connector. 20 LEDs, 10 on each side, but it's mono. And what is this? Using my beautiful portable and rechargeable microscope, and it says low power. I need to charge it. Okay, plug in. And yes, you can use it while charging. And let's see, it's the very popular LM358. And all the chips are yes, it's the same one. And the first one, LM358. Okay. Can you see how smooth and crystal clear you can see the electronic components? Beautiful. Alright. Okay, powering in 3, 2, 1. Oh, take a look at that, how it's working. And while I'm speaking, the LEDs dancing on my voice. Beautiful. And I love that green, blue and red color. Oh, beautiful. And by the way, don't be confused, this thing is already assembled. You don't need to solder any electronic components, and it's working like a charm. And it's perfectly adjusted with the multi-turn sensitivity potentiometer and that tiny microphone. I don't need to adjust it. Oh, let's put some music. Because of the copyright strikes, I need to use this kind of music. Sorry about that. It's from audio library, YouTube audio library. This is nice. And for a couple of dollars you can get this kind of audio level meter. And if you want a stereo, so you need to order 2 of them. And this thing comes in different color. You can order a red one, green, white and blue. I have the green one. It's around $2 and what it says: digital clock, temperature, voltage module, DIY time, thermometer, voltmeter, car clock modification, and the chip is RX 8025T. Beautiful, with built-in battery for remembering and keeping the time. Awesome. Let me show you. And the LED meter is doing a great job. Take a look, just to kill the lights so you can see better. Take a look with those crystal clear LEDs. It's making a beautiful effect. What do you say? Okay. And now for the clock, I'm gonna apply from my power supply 4.2 volts. Oh, take a look. It's showing the clock right now. It's not set, but it's beautiful. You can set a bunch of functions. First you can set the minutes, the hours, the date, the year, 2000. Ooh. The voltage, this can be adjusted, the voltage. Okay. What is this? AC2, DD0, DF5, LL2. Alarm. What? It have alarm. Alright. You need to hold the right button so it can show the temperature right now. Take a look. With one more press we are going to voltmeter. But right now I'm sending 4.2 volts. This one it shows 4.4. That can be calibrated in the menu. And with the another press we are going back to the clock. And yes, you can support my channel and support what I'm doing here every day. New videos with delivering new products, revealing new electronics in today's world. You can support my channel with one coffee or be a monthly subscriber. And thank you to all of you who already support my channel. Oh, bubbles, no. Back in the bag. Nothing more. Ooh, and I can feel it. This cable should be quality. Okay. And how long it is? Let's see what it says in description. High-speed data transfer, all-in-one utility with charging, lighting, SOS. We're gonna test that. And ignition. Okay. Flexible and durable. But it doesn't say how much is long. I need to measure it. On my table I have it's 1 meter. I'm gonna plug into my phone and place the flashlight. Oop, not working. Pressing. Oh, take a look. And how to activate the SOS. Turning on, turning off. If I hold it. Yes! If you hold the button for more than 2 seconds, it starts flashing. Is that the right SOS message? Please comment below. Ooh. One more press, it's turning off. One press, the light is on. Hold it. SOS. Beautiful. But I read on the internet that using the fire or the lighter through your phone, it's not good for the Type-C connector, or maybe you will burn out your phone. So please do not do that. I'm gonna try with my power adapter. The cable now is powered by the power adapter. I'm gonna plug in let's see, the lighter. Hold it. You need to hold it. Oh, nice. This is beautiful. Electric lighter, flameless. And it's hot. Please be careful. Does the light work too? Yes. Okay. My USB doctor will tell us how many current is pulling the flashlight. And what it says, 90 milliamperes. That meaning that the flashlight is how much in watts? 0.45 watts. Okay, now I'm gonna change it to the lighter and how much current it will pull. And take a look, 1.1 ampere, and the voltage drop to 4 point. It's pulling too much current from my power adapter. Why? Because it's a lighter. 1.2, and the voltage dropped to 4.67 volts. Oh, I changed it to another adapter, but the same thing. The voltage dropped to 4.7 volts, 1.2 amperes. And if you hold more than 5 seconds, auto will turn off, which is nice feature. Double press, nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa! This time goes to 9 seconds. Maybe I'm counting too fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 5 to 6 seconds. Alright. And just for the color, I have one of these, but I have used it in one of my DIY projects, and I must order another one, and it's a pink board. Pink ESP32C3 development board with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatible, and it's around $4 from Aliexpress. Come on, who are sending me messages right now while I'm recording? Oh, okay. And this pink ESP32C3 development board, it's around $4 from Aliexpress. As I say, the links will be in the description below, so you can check them. And of course, no bubbles for this tiny board. Okay. What's this? Nothing. Okay. Whoa. It comes together with pin headers, which is pretty cool. And here it is, the tiny ESP32C3 super mini development board. Pink color PCB. I love that color. And even Mr. Google knows that this board cost, what it says, $3+ And for those who don't know, this is a single core processor at 160 MHz featuring 4 MB of flash, 400 KB of SRAM, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. And also it have USB-C port for programming the microcontroller, and 11 to 16 GPIOs And I told you that GPIO, meaning general purpose input output pins. And I got it. Oh, yes. Bubbles finally. Ooh. Nice. Alright, and yes, it's an arc lighter with orange-white color. Nothing. A short Type-C cable for charging. And let's see it. Ooh. Very smooth. With transparent case. And what do you think? What I love the most? This part where you can see the electronics. Let me show you. Isn't that nice to see the MOSFETs and the integrated circuit resistors? It's pretty cool. And below we have a 4 LED indicator with 25, 50, 75 and 100% charging for the battery indicator. On below we have Type-C connector, and let me show you. It's a dual arc. Ooh. And we have RGB LEDs, so you can see the electronics. Take a look. Also the indicator of 100% fully charged battery. Wow. Nice. Looking good. Can you see it? Oh, beautiful. And we have a animation of the numbers while the lighter is working. Nice. And it's very smooth. Using my beautiful portable microscope. The full video you can check it in description below. I will put a link. Now I will see what kind of MOSFETs are these. Take a look how beautiful you can see that. What it says? HC070N10L. Alright. And what Mr. Google says about these transistors? They are N-channel mode power MOSFETs. Drain source voltage 100 volts, continuous drain current 15 amperes, and is charging with 220 milliamperes. That is the right current for charging small lithium batteries, but we don't know the capacity. As I said in my next video, I will open this thing and see it, how it works. Beautiful. Alright. Nice. It's very portable, handy, smooth. You can wear it in your pocket. Alright.